Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the lovely Giovanni. And what are we making today? This looks fun.
We're making steak tacos to build your steak taco kit for your parties. We're gonna take all these ingredients and we're gonna blend them up.
Okay.
That's gonna be our marinade. I'm gonna get some white onion in there. I would put all the garlic, but that's too much.
It's never too much for
Here
somebody
I
else.
have red and green jalapenos.
Ooh, you're feeling spicy.
So red bell pepper, green bell pepper, your favorite taco seasoning, 2 limes. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of oil. I'm gonna take half of this, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom. We just wanna get all those flavors in there.
So typically, how long do you want to let it marinate for?
5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, so we have this on medium heat. I'm gonna pull this off. Here we go, we'll just throw a couple of these on. I'm not looking to cook them. I'm just looking to soften them up a little bit.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna slice the steak, and I'll make strips like that, and then I'll just cut it this way. See that? Now we're gonna build a taco. So you first wanna get a good amount of meat, get a good amount of white onion, some cilantro. We're gonna get a little bit of guacamole here, a little bit of salsa. Lime first, and then top it off with a little bit of cheese.
There
and
you
if
go.
that's not a taco, well,
I mean,
I
that
don't know what is.
is beautiful.
Right?
There you go. And if you want to up your taco game, head to our
Should I bite
website,
it?
news12.com.
Should I bite it?
Do it, yeah, bite it. You'll find the recipe there. Thanks, Giovanni. How is it?
Fantastic.
Of course.